Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. Are you looking for something to protect this area of your 2025 Toyota 4Runner? Well, I was sent a really nice mat that goes here and protects it, and I wanted to show that to you. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, folks, this is the cargo mat that I was sent. As you can tell, it's flat and really nice. It comes folded up, but it flattens out real easy. I just left it on the garage floor last night. It is made the same material that a lot of the new floor mats are made from, like the Lays Fit floor mats, the Huskies, the WeatherTech. It's a type of rubbery plastic. Doesn't smell, so it's pretty much odorless. I can't stand that plastic odor that comes on a lot of things. So let's put this in here. Let me show you how easy it is. That's it. And it's in, and this thing fits great. It's very snug. Has a little lip on the edge that'll catch, dirt or whatever if it spills in here. I don't put that sort of thing in my truck. Some people do. If it comes off my feet, fine. If it gets in from rain when I open the hatch, fine. I'm not going to sit here and have somebody with a front loader dump a bunch of mulch in the back of my 4Runner. I won't do that to my truck either, without putting a tarp down or something. But anyways, this fits great, so let's take a closer look at it. Okay, so as you can see here, it lays flat. Now it'll even flatten out even more as the heat gets to it, but it fits in all the sections. Has a nice matte black. It's not shiny. Has a little bit of a texture to it. It's a nice pattern. Has a lot of these dividing places here. I will put a link under the video in the description if you want to check this out. There's many. I'm not going to say many because there isn't a lot of things out there yet for the 25 Toyota 4Runner. They're getting there. So there's a few of these out. Do your research. This one is really nice. Fits great. I mean, when the box shows up, you're going to go, they sent me the wrong thing. But it's just folded up inside. And in the heat, it'll all flatten out perfectly. It fits really snug to the edges, as you can see. And really protects the carpet. And that's what you want to do. In these vehicles, you want to protect the carpet as much as possible. You want to, the Toyota mats that come with it are really good. They're a rubber mat, but they don't have, especially in the driver and passenger seat of the Tacoma or 4Runner, they don't have full coverage. So what happens is on the edges, there is a gap, and that gap collects pine needles, rocks, dirt, sand, whatever, and it gets under the mat, and then it grinds away at your carpet. And I hate when that happens. So I've got aftermarket mats up front, and this is an aftermarket mat that was sent to me to try out, and it's really nice. So again, check out the link, do your own research, but you will really like this one, and it's a nice fit. I like it. Okay, y'all, I hope you like my little video on this little cargo mat here for the Toyota 4Runner. It fits great, and you can still use these little rear hooks if you need to tie something down or put one of those nets across here. And it's it's really nice fit. And like I said, do your research. I've got more videos coming on a lot of stuff, so if you would, like, share, and subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll be it'll pop up in your feed when you open up your YouTube feed. It should pop up that I've got a new video or whatever. Anyways, that's all I got for you. Check out my other videos and other things I've done videos on the 25 Tacoma and 25 4Runner. And that is it for today. I'm gonna call it here. It's getting warm, so I will see you next time. See ya.